How to create a Metatrader 4 account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create a real Metatrader 4 account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is install Metatrader 4. For that, head over to your App Store and head over to the search bar and simply search for Metatrader 4. After you search for it, you will need to download this app right here. So download it, and after you download it, you can open this up. Now after you've opened this up, you can just wait for a while. You will get this pop-up. Tap on accept, and here you will get an open a demo account option. All you need to do is tap on open a demo account. Now if you do not get this pop-up, what you can do is you can simply tap on cancel, and even after you tap on cancel, you will again get redirected to a new account section where you can tap on open a demo account, and from here choose MetaQuotes demo, and here you can add in your phone number, your email, your name. You can change your name, you can change your account type, you can even set your leverage and your deposit. After you do that, you can tap on register on the top right corner, and then you will have created the account, and it's literally that simple. And yeah, that is basically all for the video too. To go to new account, you can first head over to the settings on the bottom right, and you'll find new accounts on the second option right here. And yeah, that is all for the video. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.